high school softball non-conference matchup between Northview and Start. Second inning, runners on the corner for 𝗦𝗽cije𝗿𝘁𝘀. A bullet back up the middle plates both Wildcats to give Northview a 3-0 lead. In the third, 𝗦𝗽cije𝗿𝘁𝘀 crushes this one to deep center field and over the fence. A 2-run shot makes it 5-0 Northview. We head to the fifth inning, and it's Maddie Collins who gets things going for the Spartans. Grounds one down the first base line to put Start on the board. But in the sixth innings, Sydney Eggers freezes Jessica Miller at the plate, called strike 3. Eggers' 8th strikeout on the day, 6-2 the final from Bowman Park.
This one's really important for us. It's going to set us up for success for Anthony Wayne on Monday. That's a big game for us, so, just getting ready for Monday, I guess. So this is kind of just an energy lifter. It definitely helps a lot, just getting the younger girls up and kind of just pushing us up. Like, we've all been through it, like, the past 4 years, so we know what it's like, and we know that it's important to stay focused while still having fun.